Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 4th grade concept of adding and subtracting whole numbers and decimals. This is standard 4.4a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 24 off the 2018 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Sandy is going to purchase 2 patio chairs. That's going to be very important. They cost $57.65 each, and a table, so that's going to be just one table, I guess. That costs $146.22. What is the total cost of these items? Let's see if we can draw a picture here. Looks like we're going to have a table, so let me see if I can draw a table here. I can actually put the cost right above it. So $146.22. And then I'm going to get some chairs, 2 of them. So that's going to be $57.65. And then we'll get another chair on this side right here, and that's going to be another $57.65. So that is my outside furniture, I guess is what we're getting here, some patio chairs and a table there. And so if I wanted to see what I need to do to find the total, we could also represent it here just to verify that we're going to use the correct operation. We also have a part whole, or in this case it's actually going to be a part whole. So we're going to have our table here about $146.22, and then the other 2 parts are going to be those chairs at $57.65. And you notice my total is my unknown. That is up at the top, which means you should be able to see we are simply going to add all 3 terms, and that's going to get us our answer. Now here is the trick. We have to make sure when we're adding, we add up with our decimals all lined up. It's going to be fairly simple on this one, but let's go ahead and start with our decimals lined up. That's going to help us. So, and you notice I put 3 decimals because I've got 3 different items here. That's one of the tricks in this problem. There's 3 items, 2 chairs and a table. So I'll start with my $146.22. Now I'm going to get my $57.65. and another $57.65, making sure that everything is all lined up. You do have this 1 in the hundred spot that's just kind of out on its own, but there's nothing wrong with that. So we add this up here. 5 and 5 is 10, add that 2 is 12. So let's see, I've got 6 and 6 is 12. Add the 3 from up there, that's 15. If I add my 1 and my 6, I've got 7. Then I've got 3 7s. 7, 7, 7. That's 21. 5 and 5 is 10. Add the 2 and 4 is 16. So there we go. It looks like I've got $261.52. So that is one of our answers. Now, I told you this was a trick because they only give you 2 numbers, $57.65, $146.22. And what would happen if you weren't really reading that closely or drew a picture and you just added those 2? Well, you can bet that this is going to be one of our answer selections. So if we were just to take those 2 numbers here, we could say 5 and 2 is 7, 6 and 2 is 8, 7 and 6 is 13. Let's see, 1 and 5 is 6. Add that 4 is going to be, there's my 10. So look, I've got my 203.87, which is right there on F, but remember that's incorrect because that only did 1 of our chairs. And so our answer here is going to be this 261.52. Now I'm not quite sure how we got these 2 incorrect answers. If you can figure out an incorrect way to add this problem, or maybe even use subtraction, just let me know in the comments how to get G and H. I'm always interested to find that out. But our answer here is going to be J, $261.52.